Assalamualaikum. My name is Hina Afzal and I'm a caregiver in the pre-junior section. Today we took a session about differentiated learning, and it's a very innovative, very informational session, and which has increased a lot of my learning. And I think there were a lot of strategies and tools taught by her that we can implement in our classroom learning. Okay, so we're already applying a lot of activities, a lot of hands-on activities, and we're already doing a lot of, we're dividing them into PDR sessions. So now we will only be altering that activity, and we will turn that into differentiated learning.
My name is Salma Javed and I am the caregiver of grade 2K. I feel that the students will be able to get excellence in their learning, in their academics, and they will be more confident, and I will be able to cater each of them according to their strengths. They can do the work, they can explore the world in a way which is more suitable for them.